Hello, Mr./Ms. I'm Asuka Inagaki from the Cooking Department Reproduction Recipe Research Department. Today, we're going to share with you a reproduction recipe for Starbucks Caramel Frappuccio that everyone loves. This recipe has become a very popular recipe that was previously introduced at Hernandez. So let's get right to the ingredients. Frozen milk 200G instant coffee 1 TBSP and 2 tablespoons of caramel syrup. Adjust the sweetness here to your liking, and that's what I use for finishing touches. This is the fresh cream. Fresh cream can be any kind of cream. This is convenient because it comes out easily and quickly whipped, and I bought it at Don Quixote. And here's also caramel syrup, which we use for the finishing touch. I also bought this at Don Quixote, so this is the main ingredient. It will be here. Okay, so let's get going. All you really have to do is put it all in a blender or food processor and mix it up. If you like sweets, you can add more caramel syrup. I think it's a good idea to add gum syrup. Yes, then you run it into a food processor. It is easier to do it slowly and not in this way several times, but to turn it continuously. Yes, oh, I was able to do it beautifully. It's good. I was able to do it like this. Yes, voila. This is also 100 yen shop and so on. Selling cups, put in the cappuccino. Then you can squeeze the cream here. Yes, sprinkle with caramel syrup. I've stabbed it and it's done. And now that I'm done, I want to drink it. Yes, crunchy, I hear it. It's insanely delicious. Yes, my kids love it. And in the summer, I freeze the milk anyway. Make a lot of iced milk, put it in the Ziploc and store it in the freezer. This ingredient, frozen milk, instant coffee, caramel syrup can be made with these three, so please make it Mr. Ms. and make it with your child, Mr. and Ms. You can also make this arrangement recipe. If you want to make matcha cream frappuccino, you can make it with matcha powder and gum syrup. And if you want to make a strawberry frappuccino, you Mr. Clams can also make strawberry jam and make an arrangement recipe. Hey, please subscribe to the channel